comment question is, what do you guys like to do on rainy days? Is there anything particular you guys do? You guys sit down and enjoy a hot chocolate? You guys just sit and relax and watch movies? Me, personally, when it rains, I love watching movies and relaxing and listening to music. But I do love the sound of rain. That is one thing that is very relaxing. That the older you get, when you just sit there and you open your door or you open the window and you just hear the rainfall, that can be a very relaxing thing. That's what I like. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will join you down in the conversation.
Right with the world. There's something about love that turns even the roughest of rough times into a flow. And it's a spark from two bodies colliding that makes lightning run scared.
As always, guys, remember to rate, hate, comment, and subscribe. And today's question is, what do you guys do on a rainy day? And I will definitely join you in the conversation down below. And I will definitely see you guys here on this channel every Monday, every Friday, every Monday, every Friday. So as always, I'm Trevor, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching as always. Bye-bye.